गुड़गांव के एक सेक्टर में 7,300 करोड़ के घर बिक गए सिर्फ 3 दिन में। और कुछ सेक्टर ऐसे हैं जिसमें रेरा अप्रूवल्स के चक्कर में प्रोजेक्ट लटके हुए हैं या वाटर लॉगिंग इश्यूज के चक्कर में प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं। फ्यू सेक्टर्स कैन मेक एन इन्वेस्टर रिच, बट फ्यू might burn holes in your pocket. Today, let's find out which sectors you should invest and which you should avoid. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं गोल्फ कोर्स एक्सटेंशन रोड की। यहाँ पे प्रीमियम सेगमेंट के बार के लिए बहुत सारे ऑप्शन हैं। एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स में एमट्रीएम का गोल्फ एस्टेट है, मार्बेला विला है। कुछ अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स की अगर हम बात करें तो ट्रम्प टावर है, डीएलएफ का आर्बर है। देन देयर आर लॉट ऑफ projects of MR, Palms, PTS, then there is new Urban Oasis which is coming up. और यहाँ पे जो एवरेज प्राइस है वो 25 से 35 हज़ार रुपये पर स्क्वायर फीट का है, जो रीसेल मार्केट में आज की डेट में ट्रेड हो रहा है। एंड दिस एरिया इज सीइंग अ स्टेडी डिमांड बाय NRIs एंड HNI इन्वेस्टर्स एंड होम बायर्स। एंड DLF ने 15,000 करोड़ रुपए का प्री सेल डिक्लेयर किया था 2024 in this area, thanks to its project named Arthur. So what does 2025 look like? In this area, I think around 8 to 10% year on year growth से ऊपर अभी रिटर्न मुश्किल है, because the prices have already increased to such levels. If you are looking for capital gain, probably this is not the best area to invest in, but this is best suited for if you are an end user and looking for luxury projects in Gurgaon. So it's a safe haven, yes, for sure. But if you're looking for capital appreciation, look elsewhere. अब बात करते हैं द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे की, the wild card, and everybody is betting on it. हर डेवलपर के यहाँ प्रोजेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं, एलान, M3M, स्मार्ट वर्ल्ड, एक्सपीरियन, हीरो रियल्टी, वाइट लैंड, you name it and the developer is there. The average resale price currently in this area is about 12 to 20,000 rupees per square feet. Or new projects are being launched in the range of 25,000 rupees also, depending on developer to developer. इस एरिया में भी 35 से 40% का इंक्रीमेंट आ चुका है in last couple of years, which is a huge jump. And the demand is surging thanks to the newly operational link by NHAI and their target to make it fully operational. UER2 भी शुरू हो गया है, which should be easing the jams on NH8. So if people are looking for a connectivity between Delhi and Gurgaon, Dwarka Expressway is the next best bet for them. But यहाँ पे कई areas में projects अटके हुए भी हैं, water logging के issues दिख रहे हैं sectors में। द्वारका एक्सप्रेसवे का तो इंफ्रा अच्छा है, बट जिस सेक्टर में आप खरीद रहे हैं उसके इंफ्रा की अभी बहुत कुछ काम होना बाकी है। एंड देयर आर लैक ऑफ स्कूल्स, हॉस्पिटल्स, कॉलेजेस which will be coming up in these areas, but they will take some time. This area can be the rocket ship of Gurgaon in 2025, or it may turn out to be a bubble. What is your opinion? Please share your comments. 2025 will be the deciding year for this area. The third and one of the most sought after area is SPR, Southern Periphery Road, जहाँ पे DLF ने अभी 7,200 करोड़ प्लस की इन्वेंट्री बेच दी 3 दिन में in the name of DLF Privana. There are a lot of new projects in this area as well. Whiteland, Aspen, M3M का Antalya, Golf Hills 2, which are all under construction. At the same time, this is also fairly populated already because Tulip के बहुत सारे delivered projects हैं, Tata Primanti है. The current price range in this area is about 15 to 20,000 rupees per square feet. And as per Knight Frank, this area has the maximum absorption rate increase year on year, that is 28%, which shows there is huge demand in this area. And Amex का ऑफिस आ गया है, DLF Corporate Towers जो पहले कोई नहीं पूछता था, after the Cloverleaf it has become a huge hit, and there are a lot of offices in this area. The Cloverleaf offers a great connectivity in this area towards Dwarka Expressway and NH8, which is giving a good boost to this area. But यहाँ पे भी इंफ्रा अभी भी डेवलप होना बाकी है, There are a lot of facilities, amenities which are yet to be available in these areas. The SPR of 2025 looks like the golf course extension road in 2050. Early movers should gain the most. Now let's talk about the still affordable areas around Gurgaon. न्यू गुड़गांव एंड सोना, यहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं सिग्नेचर ग्लोबल के, गोदरेज का, DLF की सोसाइटी है बाय द नेम ऑफ गार्डन सिटी. The prices in this area have been stagnant to around 8 to 12,000 rupees per square feet. And ANAROCK के हिसाब से this area has increased the absorption rate by only 12%, which is the least in all the sectors in Gurgaon. So there are a lot of connectivity issues, water issues, infra development, which is the reason behind the slow growth of this area. However, this offers still an upside. The DMIC corridor and certain industrial belt could give this area the boost it requires, but the timelines are very uncertain. So if you are looking at entry level approaches, this area can be looked at, but don't expect some exponential growth in 2025. Now let's talk about the upcoming area which we believe can give you great returns, which is Pataudi. With its connectivity from Dwarka Expressway, KMP, closeness to Manesar, this area will offer growth like Sona has seen in the past 2 years. Mostly the projects in this area are दीनदयाल projects, जहाँ पे 180 गज से छोटे प्लॉट्स आपको मिल जाएंगे. जो डिलीवर्ड सेक्टर्स हैं वहाँ पे करीब ₹1,00,000 गज का रेट है मार्केट में रीसेल का. और न्यू प्रोजेक्ट्स यू कैन अचीव अ टारगेट ऑफ 75 to 80,000 rupees per square yard. So this area looks like Sona 2 years back. So if you're looking at entry level, you can also consider Pataudi, and land investment is any day safer than a high rise or a floor. So who wins and who loses? Dwarka Expressway and SPR have the highest growth potential. But Dwarka Expressway at current rates seems riskier. Golf course extension road pe you can't expect too much capital appreciation. Sona and New Gurgaon might remain stagnant unless we see an infra push in these areas. And Pataudi can be the dark horse which offers the maximum return. So the real question is not whether Gurgaon market will crash, but which sectors are expected to perform, which sectors might stagnate, what is risky and what is safer in 2025. So which sector will you pick in 2025? The safer bet of Extension Road, the upside of SPR, or a riskier bet in Dwarka Expressway? Comment below. And if you want a detailed Gurgaon route map with sector-wise analysis, projects and their expected returns, DM us and we'll get back to you. Thank you for watching Real Estate with Siddharth. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Signing off. Your very own chartered accountant turned real estate consultant, Vaibhav Sharma.